Hi, this is Irina Tolmacheva, and we are previewing right now the condo penthouse in Juno Beach. It is 2 bedroom, 3 baths, 2,100 square feet, listed for $570,000, and you have ocean view from your porch. And you can access this through your master bedroom or through the living room. And the porch goes all around, wrap around, and on this side you see preserve. And I'm gonna take you inside of the house as well. I'm sorry, it's a condo. Here it is.
Yes,
It's master bedroom.
Well, actually, all three of them have a little bit of a water view. The two on the fifth floor are penthouse units, and they have more of a water view.
Master bedroom has ocean view.
Has a little bit of a water view.
Closet. His and her sink.
Yep. If you look up
It has
502, I have all the aerial
jacuzzi, walk-in shower.
location of the community in relation to the beach and the pier and so forth. One is the southeast corner.
Two walk-in closets. So this one, and you see one behind the mirrors. Once again, it's ocean view.
It depends. I mean, I think the southeast, you look a little bit to the south and to the north, but the northwest corner on the fifth floor, you see more of the ocean.
This is her bathroom.
So it's debatable. I've had people say either or.
So this is considered a bedroom.
But I'm telling you, it's not,
And it has Jack and Jill bathroom, so it belongs to 2 bedrooms. So you go through this and you get into the third bedroom. So 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, and from this bedroom you can get outside.
right, and here, the Juno Beach pier is straight to the parkland. And people are hiking and running.
And this is a very nice shopping plaza. Has lots of restaurants, gym, anything you can think of, you can find it here. It's actually my favorite Italian restaurant is right there.